What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. You guys see the shirt? Yeah, loving it. I know, me too. Okay, so right here I have some old school audio bound speakers, right? They're 4 ohm, and I'm gonna show you guys how to convert them into 1 ohm. So let's go ahead and get right to it. I have a tester right here, and I'm gonna connect the speaker. It doesn't matter which terminal you connect to which terminal right here. Give it a second, it'll read it. There you go, 4 ohm right there. 3.8 is gonna fluctuate a little bit, but it's a 4 ohm speaker. Okay, so what you wanna do is, I'm connecting 2 of them to 1 terminal. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. These are called dual voice coil, whatever it's called, where you have 2 voice coil connections, okay? So what you're gonna do is very, very simple. You're gonna go from positive, run it across to positive. Here, go around the other way. So you're gonna go here, I'll move the speaker like this. So you're gonna go from your positive, which is the red cable. You're gonna run it to the positive on the other side. And then you're gonna go negative to negative. Now this wire you see right here, it's called a passive wire. All this is gonna do is it's gonna pass the sound from this one to your second sub. So once that's done, you're gonna do the same thing to this speaker. I ran out of red wire, so I'm using 2 blues, but it doesn't matter the color of the wire. Again, you're gonna do positive. You're gonna run it. Here, let me grab it so that way you guys can see which one it is. And on this side, you're gonna run it to your positive. Same thing with the second wire. You're gonna go negative, run it across to your negative. Now the passive wire that you have on your first speaker, you're gonna go on ahead and run it in through the box. Let me turn this around so you guys can see. So, I'll make sure you're not pinching any wires. And since I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in there, let me set it up. Now, like I said, these are old school speakers. They are old, but they still hit hard. I'm gonna go ahead and add a video so you guys can see it. So stay tuned for the next video. Check it out. You're gonna see how hard these things hit. That's why you see them all beat up, but they're not ripped or nothing. They're just worn. So that passive wire goes into one end, as you can see. If you only have the 2 connections, then you're gonna add the passive wire to these and connect them to those terminals. So on the other end, as you can see, you're gonna go from the terminals to the box, to your outlet. So now, give me a second while I put this in. Okay, so I'm gonna get this in here. Don't forget, don't pinch your wires. Make sure that you have them good. Make sure you have your speakers lined up. Okay, slide those in a little. So now I showed you guys how to run your cable from one coil to the next, and then using your passive wire to connect from this speaker to this speaker. Then you run your cables from one coil to the next. Positive to positive, positive to positive, negative to negative, negative to negative, then negative to negative, and positive to positive. Now let me get my tester, and I'm gonna show you guys how connecting it this way drops it down to 1 ohm. So this one I'm gonna stick in there. And like I said, it doesn't matter which one goes where when you're testing it, same thing. And we should get 1 ohm. It'll fluctuate a little, 1.1, 1.2, you know what I mean? But eventually it's considered a 1 ohm. So we just got 2 audio bond 4 ohm speakers, and I just showed you guys how to wire it step by step to make it a 1 ohm. Now, if you know about ohms, the lower your ohms, the harder your bass. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, because next is going in that car, and you're going to listen to it. You're going to see it shake and rattle. Let's go on ahead and shake, rattle, and roll. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Please drop some comments. Let me know what you think, and look for the other video. Peace out.